In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell services on Squarespace. To get started, open your products dashboard inside Squarespace and click Add Product. This is where you create something new for your store, and in this case, you will be setting up a service instead of a physical or digital item. When the product options appear, choose Service. That tells Squarespace that you are selling a service package, which gives you access to the settings designed for this type of offer. Next, enter the title of your service along with the details your customer needs to understand what they are buying. Be clear and specific here so visitors can quickly see the value of the service. You should also upload high-quality mock-up images. Even though a service is not a physical product, strong visuals still help the page look more polished and professional. Good images can also make the service feel more tangible and easier to understand. After that, move to the pricing section. Set your regular price if you want to sell the service at its standard rate. If you are running a promotion, you can switch on the on-sale option under Pricing Settings instead. This is useful if you want to show a discounted offer directly on the product page and make the listing more appealing to potential buyers. Then go to the Selling Tools area and click Create New Form. This allows you to build a custom intake questionnaire for your service. This step is especially important because it helps you collect the information you need from the customer before you begin the work. A well-made form can save time and reduce back-and-forth communication later. You will also want to review the stock settings. If you only want to take on a limited number of bookings or projects, set the stock to a specific number. If you are able to accept as many orders as you want, leave it set to unlimited. This gives you control over your workload and helps keep your service availability accurate. Once everything looks right, click Publish. That will make your service package live on your store page, so customers can start viewing and purchasing it. That covers everything you need to know.